Theories of machines. Degrees of freedom in 3D is equal to 6, 3 translational plus 3 rotational. Degrees of freedom in 2D is equal to 3, 2 translational plus 1 rotational. Actual degrees of freedom is equal to maximum possible degrees of freedom minus restricted degrees of freedom. Cylindrical pair or C pair degrees of freedom is equal to 2 in this direction as well and theta in this direction. Prismatic pair or P pair degrees of freedom is equal to 1 delta Sy. Revolute or hinged pair or a turning pair or R pair degrees of freedom is equal to 1 collar. It can only rotate in this direction theta y. Helical pair H pair or screw pair degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Here there are delta Sy and delta y but theta y but delta Sy is function of theta y, so degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Globular pair G pair or spherical pair degrees of freedom is equal to 3. Sphere on concave surface, ball and socket joint, side mirror. Yes, ball and socket joint, side mirror joint. Spherical pair. It can rotate in all three directions. Planar or arena pair E pair degrees of freedom is equal to 3, 2 translational plus 1 rotational. Lower pair area of contact all above pairs degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Linear motion pair P R H degrees of freedom greater than 1. Surface motion pair C G E pair. G pair means globular pair, C pair means cylindrical pair. Special higher pair point or line contact. Special case wrapping pair belt drives chains and socket in a bike. If belt sliding over pulley, lower pair. If belt is not sliding over pulley, no relative motion in area A, B and CD, that is no pair. Belt and pulley will be single pair. At each point of entry and exit there will be higher pair. Like here higher 4 higher pair. If belt is sliding then a complete thing is taken as lower pair. Higher pair permits rolling motion with slipping. Degrees of freedom is equal to 2 as SCM is not equal to R theta. Without slipping degrees of freedom is equal to 1 as SCM is equal to R theta. If nothing is mentioned, take as slipping, that is degrees of freedom is equal to 2. Each higher pair restricts 1 degrees of freedom in planar mechanism. Closed pair fluid in cylinder, open or unclosed pair between cam and follower. Form closed, example pin in round hole due to geometric specification. Force closed due to some force self weight or some external force spring. Binary pair 1 or 2, it will be like this. Ternary pair 2 1 2 3. 1 ternary pair is equal to 2 binary pair. Quaternary pair 1 quaternary pair is equal to 3 binary pair. 4 links joined like this. 2 binary pair, here 3 binary pair. On basis of constraints provided, completely constrained pair CCP. If pair permits only one type of relative motion, degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Example RPH pair. Incompletely constrained pair ICP permits more than one type of relative motion, degrees of freedom greater than 1. Example CGE pair. Successfully constrained pair if ICP is converted to a constrained pair with help of some link or some force, degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Example piston and cylinder of IC engine. Chain assembly of various links, open chain, closed chain. Mechanism chain with one link fixed and able to transfer relative motion. Inversion process of fixing different links of chain or mechanism. Number of inversions is equal to number of different links. Higher pairs cannot be inverted. Cam and follower, gear and pinion. Machine assembly of various links, pairs, chains and mechanisms which can transfer relative motion, force and power. Planar mechanism, actual degrees of freedom is equal to maximum possible degrees of freedom minus restricted degrees of freedom. Actual degrees of freedom is equal to 3n minus restricted degrees of freedom. Kurzbach equation, actual degrees of freedom is equal to 3 into n minus 1 minus 2j minus h. N minus 1 because as one link is fixed. J 2j because lower pair restricts 2 degrees of freedom. H because higher pair restricts 1 degree of freedom. If higher pair permits pure rolling motion, then it restricts 2 degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is equal to 3n minus 2j minus 2h in this case. Degrees of freedom less than 1, negative superstructure or statically indeterminate structure. Degree of freedom equal to 0, structure or statically determinate or truss or frame. Degrees of freedom greater than 0, degrees of freedom is equal to 1, kinematic or constrained mechanism. Degrees of freedom greater than 1, unconstrained mechanism. Grubler's criterion, h is equal to 0, degrees of freedom is equal to 1, 3n is equal to 2j plus 4, n min is equal to 4 to obtain kinematic mechanism, simple mechanism. Exceptions or violations of Kurzbach equation. If a mechanism consists of sliding pair only, n is equal to 3, j is equal to 3, h is equal to 0, degrees of freedom is equal to 0, but delta sy is equal to f of delta sx, actual degrees of freedom is equal to 1, minimum 3 links required to obtain constraint mechanism having sliding pair only. If a mechanism consists of redundant parameters, modified Kurzbach equation, degrees of freedom is equal to 3 into n minus nr minus 1 minus 2 into j minus jr minus h minus fr. nr number of redundant links, jr number of redundant lower pairs, fr number of redundant degrees of freedom. Double parallelogram linkage to connect a wheel in locomotive. According to normal Kurzbach equation, degrees of freedom is equal to 3 into 5 minus 1 minus 2 into 6 is equal to 0. But actual degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Here these two are parallel. These three are parallel. nr is equal to 1, jr is equal to 2, fr is equal to 0. jr2 in the sense these two joints, nr1 is this. Degrees of freedom is equal to 3 into 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 6 minus 2 minus 0 is equal to 1. Degrees of freedom 1. If they are not parallel like this, then degrees of freedom is equal to 0. Link 5 is restricting forward motion. Here it is not redundant. Oscillating cam and follower mechanism. According to normal Kurzbach equation, degrees of freedom is equal to 3 into 4 minus 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. But delta pi is equal to f of delta theta. Delta of pi, this rotation is a function of delta of theta. Actual degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Redundant revolute 3 comma 4 is redundant. 3 link only to reduce friction. jr is equal to 1, nr is equal to 1, actual degrees of freedom is equal to 3 into 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. Or take fr is equal to 1, spinning of roller. According to Kurzbach equation, degrees of freedom in this case equal to 1, which is wrong. Actual degrees of freedom is equal to 0. fr is equal to 1, link 3 can slide out. If it is like this, then this motion and degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Grashoff's link. According to Grashoff's law, in order to obtain continuous rotation between two links, S plus L less than or equal to P plus Q. Crank rotation, link complete rotation, link able to execute full circular motion, local link can oscillate. Class 1 Grashoff's linkage Lmin plus Lmax less than P plus Q. Inversion 1 Lmin fixed crank crank. Inversion 2 adjacent to Lmin fixed crank rocker or rocker crank. Conversion 3 if Lmin is coupler rocker rocker Lmin is coupler rocker rocker. That is opposite to Lmin is fixed. Case 2 non-Grashof linkage Lmin plus Lmax greater than P plus Q. All inversions will be double rocker. Non-Grashof's linkage. All inversions will be double rocker. Class 3 transition linkage Lmin plus Lmax is equal to P plus Q. If all links of equal length, then Lmin is equal to Lmax is equal to P is equal to Q. Rhombus linkage crank crank. If two links are of equal length, parallelogram linkage parallelogram links, then all are crank crank. If it is deltoid linkage or a crank or kite linkage, then Lmin fixed crank crank, Lmax fixed, then it is crank rocker. Only in this case we will get crank rocker when Lmax is fixed. In case of rocker rocker, couple can execute circular motion when becomes crank. Inversion cannot affect ability to transfer relative motion but can affect type of relative motion, that is absolute motion of any link. Equivalent link spring, this springs it can be replaced by 4 and 5 link. One spring is equivalent to two kinematic links. Higher pair n is equal to 3, j is equal to 2, h is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, j is equal to 4, n is equal to 4, h is equal to 0. One higher pair is equal to one kinematic pair plus two lower pair. 3 sliding single slider mechanism. LDC tends to infinity. LC straight line. LAD tends to infinity, AD tends to infinity, DC tends to infinity. By making two link lengths infinity, we can get a single slider crank mechanism. Double slider mechanism, if LAB tends to infinity, then LB is straight line. By making three links infinity length, then we are getting double slider mechanism. Single slider crank inversions, link 1 fixed crank rocker mechanism, link 1 fixed crank rocker mechanism, offset slider crank QRM, reciprocating IC engine RC, and reciprocating compressor C crank rocker. Link 2, that is crank is fixed crank mechanism. Whitworth QR applications, Whitworth QRM CC crank radial engine or star engine. Link 3, that is connecting rod is fixed. Connecting rod is fixed crank rocker oscillating cylinder engine mechanisms crank rocker. Crank and slotted bar QRM. Link 4, that is slider is fixed. Rocker mechanism applications plunger hand pump rocker pendulum pump. Inversions of double slider mechanism. Link 1 is fixed. Link 1, that is slotted bar is fixed. XP by XP square by BP square plus YP square by AP square. Rocker elliptical trammel. Locus of P is ellipse. Center 0, 0. Center 0, 0. Semi major axis AP, semi minor axis BP. If P is midpoint of AB, then locus is circle. If P is on any slider, then locus is straight line. Other than these points, it will be ellipse. Either link 2 or link 4, that is slider is fixed. Displacement of slotted bar is x is equal to PA1 is equal to OA1 minus OP SHM x is equal to OA into 1 minus cos theta SHM in nature. Crank rocker mechanism used to generate sine function. Scotch yoke mechanism, rotation converted to simple harmonic motion. Link 3, that is coupling rod is fixed. Crank mechanism, input shaft to output shaft to E. Shafts are parallel, gear and pinion shafts are parallel and away belt drive. If E is equal to 0, flange coupling. Relative sliding velocity is equal to offset distance in between shafts into angular velocity of shafts. Oldham coupling used to connect shafts having small parallel misalignment. Application to Oldham coupling, velocity ratio 1 by 20 plus or minus 1 by 80 is equal to 1 by 100. Worm and worm wheel. Intersection shafts, hooks joint or U joint. Relative sliding velocity is equal to offset distance between shafts into angular velocity of shaft. Extreme positions of rocker in a crank rocker mechanism. When it is completely like this, beta is equal to 0 degrees or beta is equal to 180 degrees. Extreme position of rocker, toggle position. Angular velocity is equal to 0. Transmission angle gamma. This is beta, this is gamma. Coupler and output link. Large gamma mechanical advantage more. Small gamma may lock or jam the mechanism. Gamma f is equal to f of theta. Extreme values of gamma, d gamma by d theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0 degrees or theta is equal to 180 degrees. That is input and fixed link are collinear. Theta is equal to 0 degrees, gamma minimum will be like this. Theta is equal to 180 degrees, gamma maximum will be like this. Mechanical advantage is equal to MA is equal to torque at the output by torque at input. Mechanical advantage indicate quality, that is effectiveness of mechanism. Efficiency of mechanism is equal to power at output by power at input. Efficiency eta is equal to T output omega output by T input omega input. If there is no loss of power due to friction, P output is equal to P input. T out omega out is equal to T in omega in. Mechanical advantage is equal to T output by T input is equal to omega input by omega output. Velocity ratio, mechanical advantage is equal to 1 by velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is equal to omega out by omega in. Velocity ratio VRL lambda. In 4-bar mechanism, mechanical advantage is equal to sine gamma by sine beta. Gamma, transmission angle between coupler and output. Beta, angle between input and coupler. At toggle position, beta is equal to 0 degrees or 180 degrees. Mechanical advantage is equal to infinity. For mechanism to raise load, mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. Example, screw jack. Quick return mechanism. Return stroke consumes less time than cutting stroke. QRR, quick return ratio, is equal to time required by driving crank in forward or cutting stroke by time required by driving in return stroke. QRR is equal to T cutting by T return. If omega is equal to constant, theta is equal to omega t, theta directly proportional to t. Theta cutting by theta return is equal to T cutting by T return. QRR is equal to angle turned by driving crank during cutting stroke by angle turned by driving crank during return stroke is equal to alpha by beta greater than 1. Performance of any machine directly proportional to number of parts manufactured per unit time. Performance inversely proportional to cycle time. QRR less than 1, if QRR, then QRR is equal to beta by alpha. Offset slider crank mechanism at a distance C or L, when extreme position, when pi is equal to 0 degrees, R it will be like this, E will be like this, This is L minus R. If it is like this is L plus R. Sin theta 1 is equal to E by L plus L minus R. Sin theta 2 is equal to E by L plus R. Cos theta 1 is equal to OC1 by L minus R. Cos theta 2 is equal to OC2 by L plus R. Stroke length B is equal to B1 B2 is equal to C1 C2 is equal to OC2 minus OC1. B1 B2 stroke length is equal to L minus R cos theta 1 minus L plus R cos theta 2. Stroke length is equal to root of L plus R whole square minus E square is equal to root of L minus R whole square minus E square greater than 2R. Alpha plus beta is equal to 360 degrees. Alpha is equal to 180 plus theta 1 minus theta 2. Beta is equal to 180 minus theta 1 minus theta 2. QRR is equal to alpha by beta is equal to 180 plus theta 1 minus theta 2 by 180 minus theta 1 minus theta 2 if greater than 1. Crank and slotted bar QRM 6 bar linkage crank rocker mechanism. O4V is equal to length of slotted bar. O2A is equal to crank radius. V slider along slotted bar. At extreme position slotted bar perpendicular to crank, that is A1 and A2. Slotted bar oscillating extreme position angular velocity is equal to 0. Cos beta by 2 is equal to O2 A1 by O2 O4 is equal to driving crank radius by fixed length length is equal to R by L. QRR greater than 1, alpha by beta is equal to 360 minus beta by beta. Stroke length RR1 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to B1P plus B2P is equal to 2B1P is equal to 2O4 B1 cos beta by 2. Stroke length is equal to 2 into length of slotted bar into crank radius by fixed link length. Velocity of tool will be maximum at mid stroke, that is crank, fixed link and slotted bar will be collinear. Omega slotted bar will be maximum at AC during cutting stroke. Omega slotted bar will be minimum at AR during return stroke. AR. Velocity of slider with respect to slotted bar at AC and AR is equal to 0. Coriolis component AC is equal to 2V slider with respect to slotted bar into omega slotted bar. Direction rotate V bar in sense of omega bar by 90 degrees. In one cycle AC is equal to 0 at 4 points AC, AR, A1, A2. A1, A2 omega bar is equal to 0, AC, AR, V slider is equal to 0. Whitworth QRM 6 bar linkage crank mechanism. Crank mechanism O4 radius is equal to O4B. R1 R2 is equal to B1 B2. Center O2 radius is equal to O2A. Alpha plus beta is equal to 360 degrees. Cos beta by 2 is equal to O2 O4 by O2A1. Cos beta by 2 is equal to fixed link length by driving crank length. QRR is equal to alpha by beta is equal to 360 minus beta by beta. Stroke length is equal to R1 R2 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to 2O4 by depend only on one link. Kinematic analysis OA bar is equal to R ER cap or V A by O is equal to R omega ET cap. A bar A by O is equal to OA omega square into minus ER cap plus OA alpha into ER cap. This is normal or rotational or this is tangential. A by O is equal to root of A and A by O whole square plus AT A by O whole square. General motion translational plus rotational. This is translation can be rotation about infinity, which can be equivalent to rotation about I center. I center perpendicular to relative I center perpendicular to velocities. This I center perpendicular line perpendicular at point intersect at a point I center. Locus of I centers centered curve. Locus of y-axis of rotation axod surface. R pair omega x omega y I x y. Rubbing velocity of spin R is equal to R pin into omega x plus or minus omega y minus same direction plus opposite direction. VA bar is equal to VB bar. Here in this I12 will be at infinity. Here at a point of intersection, if moves on a curve, then VA by I12A is equal to VB by I12B is equal to constant center of curvature. I12 will be at center of curvature. Rolling with slipping, VCM R omega IE will be here. Here we in between we with slipping because it's slipping. Pure rolling I center will be at point of contact. I center along common normal will be the VA by IA is equal to VC by IC is equal to omega. String and pulley, spring pulley, point where inextensible string enters pulley IC. A B VA bar VB bar AB sin theta AB cos theta I center. VA by IA is equal to VB by IB is equal to constant is equal to omega. Equation of centroid x1 square plus y square is equal to AB square. Circle VB bar is equal to VA bar plus VB by A bar. AB bar is equal to AA bar plus AB by A bar. N links I centers n is equal to nc2 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. Absolute I center with respect to fixed link 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4. Relative I center with respect to moving link 2 3 2 3 4 2 4. Velocity of I center is same on both links with respect to fixed link. If absolute icenters exist, absolute icenter exists on same side of relative icenters, links rotate in same direction. If absolute icenters exists on opposite side of relative icenter, links rotate in opposite direction. Arnold Kennedy theorem or are three icenters in a line. If three bodies or links are in relative motion may or may not be connected, the three icenters will always be collinear. First collinear, it will be like this. We'll draw a line like this. Here also draw a line like this. Draw a line like this. 1 2 3 4. By to get to 1 3 1 2 2 3 draw a line, and 1 4 3 4 draw a line. Similarly for 2 4 also. Link 2 and 4 will rotate or oscillate. Link 3 will be in general motion. Vi23 is equal to I12 I23 into omega 2 plus or minus omega 1. I23 is on link 2 is equal to I13 I23 into omega 3 plus or minus omega 1. I23 on link 3. Omega 2 by omega 3 is equal to I13 I23 by I12 I23. Similarly, omega 3 by omega 4 is equal to I14 I34 by I13 I34. Crank and slotted lever omega 4 max by omega 4 max in cutting by omega 4 max in return is equal to C minus R by C plus R less than 1. Because in return omega will be more. Coriolis component AC bar is equal to 2 into omega S bar into cross V slider with respect to slotted bar. The direction of V relative bar is by 90 degrees in sense of omega S bar. Clean's construction valid only for single slider mechanisms. OA KC by OA actual is equal to AB KC by AB actual is equal to OB KC by OB actual is equal to constant is equal to 1 by crank. VA is equal to OA KC into omega crank is equal to OA actual. AA is equal to omega square crank into OA KC. Velocity and acceleration analysis for single slider mechanism. A1 R L theta beta B1 B theta is equal to 0 degrees ODC. A1 P is equal to R sin theta is equal to L sin beta. Let N is equal to L by R. Sin beta is equal to sin theta by N. Cos beta is equal to 1 by N into root of N square minus sin square theta. Displacement of slider x is equal to B1. Equation of slider or gudgeon pin x is equal to R into 1 minus cos theta plus n minus root of n square minus sin square theta. Displacement of crank pin along line of stroke x is equal to R into 1 minus cos theta. In SHM, stroke length is equal to 2 into crank radius. Special case when n is equal to 1, that is L is equal to R. Stroke length is equal to 4 into crank radius. Velocity of slider V is equal to dx by dt is equal to dx by d theta into d theta by dt is equal to r omega into sin theta plus cos sin 2 theta by 2 into root of n square minus sin square r. Neglect sin square theta. uh, V approximate is equal to r omega into sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 2n. Acceleration of slider A is equal to dv by dt is equal to dv by d theta into d theta by dt. A is equal to r omega square into cos theta plus cos 2 theta by n. Approximate valid only when omega is equal to constant. First use diagram only. Omega connecting rod is equal to d beta by dt is equal to omega cos theta by root of n square minus sin square theta. Alpha connecting rod is equal to d omega connecting rod by dt is equal to sin theta cos theta minus omega sin theta into n square minus sin square theta by n square minus sin square theta whole power 3 by 2. Dynamic force analysis in a reciprocating IC engine or compressor. P1 inside the cylinder, P2 outside, theta beta 180 minus of theta plus beta d. Gas force F gas is equal to P1 A1 minus P2 A2. Inertia force of slider Fy is equal to Ma slider is equal to mr omega square into cos theta plus cos 2 theta by n. Inertia force F piston Fp is equal to F gas minus Fi minus F. P1 A1 is in this direction. Ma slider Fp is equal to F gas minus Fi minus F plus or minus mg vertical engine. FBD of piston Fp n FCR beta. Fp by sin of 90 plus beta is equal to n by sin of 180 minus beta is equal to FCR by sin 90. Thrust force on connecting rod or thrust force in gudgeon pin FCR is equal to Fp by cos beta. Normal reaction or force between piston and cylinder. N is equal to Ft tan beta is equal to FCR sin beta. Crank effort Ft is equal to FCR cos by is equal to FCR cos of 90 minus theta plus beta. Ft is equal to FCR sin of theta plus beta. Thrust force in crank pin FCR is equal to thrust force in crank pin is equal to FCR sin pi is equal to FCR cos of theta plus beta. Turning moment on crankshaft T is equal to Ft into R is equal to FCR cos of theta plus beta into R is equal to Fp by cos beta into sin of theta plus beta into R. Flywheel to store energy when excess and release energy when there is deficiency. IC engine 2-stroke cycle time 2 pi, 4-stroke cycle time 4 pi. Steam engine crank rocker cycle time is equal to 2 pi. T supply is equal to Fp by cos beta into R into sin of theta plus beta. F supply is equal to F of theta. Turning moment 4-stroke Suction will be like this, compression negative, turbine, it will be more power stroke than exhaust. Net energy developed per cycle is equal to T mean into cycle time is equal to integral 0 to cycle time T supply d theta. Uh, net energy required per cycle T load into cycle time is equal to integral 0 to cycle time T load d theta. If there is no losses, T mean is equal to T load. T fluctuating is equal to T flywheel is equal to T load minus T supply or T supply minus T load. A comma B comma C comma D comma E, slope of omega versus theta is equal to 0. T flywheel is equal to 0, isolated locations. Delta Ke max is equal to half I omega max square minus omega mean square is equal to I omega mean square into Cs. Quotient of fluctuation of speed is a Cs is equal to omega max minus omega min by omega mean. Omega mean is equal to omega max plus omega min by 2. Centrifugal stress in a flywheel sigma h is equal to rho v square. Sigma h hoop stress in flywheel. Coefficient of fluctuation of energy C is equal to delta Ke max fluctuation by net energy required per cycle. Power is equal to 2 pi n T mean by 60. Flywheel in punching press or riveting machines, theta 1, theta 2, T motor. One cycle time is equal to punching stroke plus idle stroke. Punching stroke theta 1 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to theta 2. Idle stroke 0 less than theta 1. Theta 2 less than 2 pi. A1 plus A3 is equal to A2. Delta is equal to delta Ke max. Theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2 pi is equal to plate thickness by 2 into stroke length is equal to punching time by cycle time. Energy required during punching stroke is equal to total energy supplied by motor during punching plus total energy supplied by flywheel during punching. E is equal to E into theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2 pi plus delta Ke max. Delta Ke max is equal to E into 1 minus theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2 pi. T motor into omega motor is equal to T load average into omega machine greater than omega motor. T load average not equal to T motor. Governor's feedback, a device used to change fuel supply. Governor, centrifugal governor, pendulum type, watt governors, gravity controlled, Potter and Crowell governor, spring controlled, Hartnell, Wilson, Hartung, Pickering used in gramophone. Inertia governor, watt governor, omega square is equal to G by H, n square is equal to 895 by H. H is from top to this intersection to till here. This intersection till here, H open. If it is from here to here, then it is crossed. Simple open crossed. Potter governor omega square is equal to 2 mg plus mg plus or minus f into 1 plus k by 2 mh. Kaplan is equal to mass of sleeve. K is equal to tan beta by tan theta. If beta is equal to theta, k is equal to 1 and f is equal to 0. Omega Potter square omega square is equal to small m plus capital M by small m h plus 1 plus capital M by small m into 1 by h. Controlling force Cf or F of R, it is resultant of gravity force Fc is equal to mr omega square F of R in this direction. Always towards axis of rotation. For the active or working governor, f of x greater than 0. Gravity controlled governor, f of r at an angle theta, tan theta is equal to df of r by dr. Spring controlled governor, f of f of r is equal to ar plus b. Centrifugal force fc is equal to mr omega square away from axis of rotation. At equilibrium, fc is equal to f of r. Slope is equal to tan theta is equal to fc by r is equal to m omega square. Fc r theta fc is equal to mr omega square. Stability analysis, gravity controlled governor, f of r is like this. Fc of r is straight line. Condition for stable governor, slope of f of r versus r greater than slope of fc versus r at equilibrium positions. D f of r by dr greater than greater than fc by r. D f of r by dr greater than m omega square at equilibrium position. For unstable governor, d f of r by dr less than m omega square. For spring controlled governor, f of r is equal to a r plus b will be like this. Fc will be like this, tan inverse m omega square. Stable governor, tan inverse a greater than tan inverse m omega square. Unstable governor, tan inverse a less than tan inverse m omega square. For active governor, f of r greater than 0, a r min minus b greater than 0, r min greater than b by a. Neutral governor, isochronous governor, f of r is equal to a r. R equilibrium 1 not equal to R equilibrium 2 not equal to R equilibrium 3, but omega 1 is equal to omega 2 is equal to omega 3. Isochronism not practical. F R A R minus B stable. A R F is equal F of R is equal to A R isochronous. F of R is equal to A R plus B unstable. Sensitivity, ability to sense the change in output. Stability inversely proportional to sensitivity. Quotient of sensitiveness is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 by omega mean is equal to range of speed by mean speed is equal to 2 into omega 1 minus omega 2 by omega 1 plus omega 2. If governor is independent of mechanism, quotient of sensitiveness is equal to omega mean by omega 1 minus omega 2. Sensitivity of isochronous governor is equal to is infinity. As change in fuel supply directly proportional to sleeve displacement directly proportional to change in height of governor directly proportional to change in radius. Large controlling force, more stable, less sensitive. Hunting at resonance, omega is equal to omega n. Omega frequency of oscillation of engine speed, omega n natural frequency of governor. Governor infinitely sensitive, oscillate violently. Quotient of insensitiveness is equal to 2 into omega a minus omega b by omega a plus omega b. Omega is equal to speed at no friction. Omega is equal to speed at which sleeve move upward, that is mg plus f. Omega b is equal to speed downward at, that is mg minus f. Governor effort, mean or average force acting on governor sleeve and responsible for its displacement. Effort is equal to 0 plus f by 2 is equal to f by 2. Sleeve running at equilibrium position, effort is equal to 0. Power of governor is equal to effort into sleeve displacement is equal to f by 2 into x. Hartnell governor x is equal to r1 minus r2 by p into q. Sleeve displacement, x sleeve displacement, p q. Spring stiffness k is equal to f2 into fc1 minus fc2 by r1 minus r2 into p by q whole square. mr omega square into p equal to mg plus fs by 2 into q. Vibrations, free or natural vibration, disturbed by force or uh, dis- not disturbed by force or disturbed by force or coupled only initially. Forced vibration, reason behind the motion, continuously present. Parametrically excited vibration, self-excited vibration. Vibrations longitudinal, this is like this. Axial stiffness is equal to ae by l. Transverse like this. Flexural stiffness is equal to f of ei by l. Depends on type of loading. Torsional stiffness is equal to gj by l. Inertia deals with ke half mx dot square half I theta dot square. Restoration deals with potential energy mgh. Sf is equal to half kx square. Newton's method or D'Alembert's principle, dynamic equilibrium, sigma F external minus Fi is equal to 0. Sigma T external minus Ti is equal to 0. Energy method, d by dt of total energy of system is equal to 0. Rayleigh's method, maximum kinetic energy of system is equal to maximum potential energy of system. Omega n is equal to root of k by m. If mass of spring is included, omega n is equal to root of k by m plus ms by 3. X double dot plus omega n square x is equal to 0. X is equal to a cos omega nt plus b sin omega nt is equal to capital X into sin of omega nt plus pi. Pi is phase lag. Sinusoidal harmonic frequency of oscillation, angular omega n radian per second, linear fn is equal to omega n by 2 pi 1 by second or Hz. Time period t is equal to 2 pi by omega n is equal to 1 by fn seconds. For rotation, I equivalent theta double dot plus k equivalent into theta is equal to 0. Omega n is equal to root of k equivalent by I equivalent. Velocity equation is equal to x dot is equal to x omega n into cos of omega nt plus pi. Acceleration equation x double dot is equal to minus x omega n square sin of omega nt plus pi. The simple pendulum ip theta double dot plus mgl sin theta is equal to 0. Theta double dot plus mgl by ip into theta is equal to 0. Omega n is equal to root of g by l. T is equal to 2 pi root l by g. Damped free vibration mx double dot plus cx dot plus kx is equal to 0. D1 comma 2 is equal to minus c by 2m plus or minus root of c by 2m whole square minus omega n square. Damping factor epsilon is equal to root of c by 2m whole square by omega n square is equal to c by 2m omega n is equal to c by 2 root mk. Vibratory system, undamped epsilon is equal to 0, damped system epsilon greater than 0, epsilon less than 1, underdamped epsilon equal to 1, critically damped epsilon greater than 1, overdamped. Underdamped epsilon less than 1 and d1 comma 2 is equal to minus epsilon omega n plus or minus I omega n into root of 1 minus epsilon square. Omega n into root of 1 minus epsilon square is equal to omega d. Cf is equal to x is equal to capital X e power minus epsilon omega nt sin of omega dt plus pi. Omega d is frequency of oscillation. Omega d by omega n epsilon circle like this. Damped time period is equal to 2 pi by omega d. Amplitude will decay exponentially with time is equal to x e power minus epsilon omega nt. x0 by x1 is equal to x1 by x2 is equal to x2 by x3 so on is equal to xn minus 1 by xn is equal to e power delta. Logarithmic decrement delta is equal to 2 pi epsilon by root of 1 minus epsilon square. Delta is equal to 1 by n ln of x0 by xn. Epsilon is equal to 1, critically damped system 1 is equal to cc by 2m omega n. Critical damping coefficient cc is equal to 2m omega n is equal to 2 root km. Damping ratio or damping factor epsilon is equal to c actual by cc is equal to actual damping coefficient by critical damping coefficient. Cf is equal to xn is equal to a plus bt e power minus omega nt decay exponentially with time. Epsilon equal to 1 it will be like this, epsilon less than 1 it will be like this. Aperiodic will not oscillate. Critical damping, smallest amount of damping for which mere there is no oscillation. For which there is no oscillation. Forced vibrations, external excitation, static or constant excitation, F4, dynamic excitation, harmonic or periodic, F4 sin omega t, F4 cos omega t, aperiodic random excitation, mx double dot plus cx dot plus kx is equal to F4 sin omega t. D square plus 2 epsilon omega n d plus omega n square is equal to F4 by m sin omega F4 by m sin omega t. X is equal to f of t is equal to cf plus pi. Cf is equal to x e power minus epsilon omega nt sin of omega dt plus pi. Pi particular integral is equal to f by k into sin of omega t minus pi by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. X is equal to x e power minus epsilon omega nt into sine of omega dt plus pi 1 transient response plus a sine omega t minus pi steady state response. Particular integral is equal to a sine of omega t minus pi. Amplitude of response A is equal to f by k by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. R is equal to omega by omega n is equal to frequency of excitation by natural undamped frequency. Omega n resonating frequency or critical speed. If omega is equal to omega n, R is equal to 1, resonance. Magnification factor is equal to amplitude of steady state response by 0 frequency deflection is equal to A by F0 by K. Magnification factor is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus R square plus 2 epsilon R whole square is equal to F of R. Epsilon is equal to 0, it will be like this. Remaining epsilons, it will decrease. Epsilon is equal to 0.707, it will be like this. For maximum magnification factor, R optimum is equal to root of 1 minus 2 epsilon square. When epsilon is equal to 0, magnification factor is equal to 1 by 1 minus R square. Force due to unbalanced inertia force. Rotating unbalance mx double dot plus cx dot is equal to kx is equal to me omega square sin omega t. X is equal to x e power minus epsilon omega nt into sin omega dt plus pi 1 plus a sin of omega t minus pi. This whole thing is transient response 0 after sufficient time. This is steady state response. Reciprocating unbalance f unbalanced is equal to me omega square. F unbalanced is equal to Fi slider is equal to me omega square into cos theta plus cos 2 theta by n. Mx double dot plus cx dot plus kx is equal to me omega square cos theta. This is neglected. X is equal to x e power minus epsilon omega nt into sine of omega dt plus pi 1 in plus a cos omega t plus pi. This is transient response. This is steady state response. Transient response 0 after some time. A is equal to me omega square by capital M omega n square by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. B is equal to A by me by capital M is equal to r square by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. Support motion or base excitation x y mx dot mx double dot plus c into x dot minus y dot plus k into x minus y is equal to 0. Mx double dot plus cx dot plus kx is equal to cy omega cos omega t plus ky sin omega t. R is equal to yk root of 2 epsilon r whole square plus 1. Mx double dot plus cx dot plus kx is equal to r sin of omega t plus alpha. Solution x is equal to x1 e power minus epsilon omega nt into sin of omega dt plus pi plus x sin of omega t plus alpha minus pi. This is transient response. This is steady state response. Amplitude of oscillation x is equal to r by k by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. Epsilon is equal to x by y is equal to root of 1 plus 2 epsilon r whole square by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. This is motion transmissibility or displacement transmissibility. Force transmissibility epsilon is equal to ft by fo is equal to amplitude of force transmitted to foundation by amplitude of excitation force or disturbing force. Ft is equal to root of fs square plus fd square plus 2 fs fd cos theta. Theta angle between fs and fd. Amplitude of spring force. Fd is amplitude of damping force. Ft by Fo is equal to epsilon is equal to root of 1 plus 2 epsilon r whole square by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. Phase angle between Ft and Fo is equal to pi minus alpha is equal to tan inverse 2 epsilon r by 1 minus r square minus tan inverse 2 epsilon r. Epsilon r for epsilon is equal to 0, it is like this. Epsilon so on decreases on root 2. This is magnification zone, spring control zone, magnification zone, isolation zone or mass control zone. Transverse vibration beam or rod carrying single concentrated load. Cantilever beam carrying load W at end K is equal to W by delta is equal to 3I by L cube. Simply supported beam W from one end distance here, from other end distance B, delta is equal to W A square B square by 3EIL. K is equal to 3EIL by A square B square. Fixed beam delta is equal to W A cube by 3K W A cube B cube by 3EIL cube. K is equal to 3EL cube by 3EIL cube by A cube B cube. Short bearing analogous to simply supported beam end carrying end condition, carrying load W. Fix long bearing analogous to fixed beam end condition. Beam carrying more than one load. Dunker's empirical formula 1 by omega n square is equal to 1 by omega n1 square plus 1 by omega n2 square plus 1 by omega n3 square, so on. Omega n1 is equal to root of g by delta 1. Whirling speed of shaft Sg is equal to E is equal to eccentricity of rotor. Y is equal to deflection at equilibrium. Ky is equal to m into y plus c into omega square. Ky restoring force like this. Center F center is equal to m omega square into y plus c. Y is equal to me omega square by k minus m omega square. Y is equal to E by omega n by omega whole square minus 1. Case 1 omega less than omega n, y greater than 0 positive, y greater than 0 like this. Omega is equal to omega n resonance, y is equal to infinity. Y critical or whirling speed. Shaft will vibrate violently and break into pieces. Case 3 omega greater than omega n, y less than 0 negative. Case 4 omega greater than omega n, y is equal to minus c. Shaft will not oscillate. It will run steadily. At resonance whirling speed omega is equal to whipping speed. Higher critical speeds of shaft due to self weight of shaft. First critical speed omega n is equal to omega 2. Omega 2 is second critical speed. Omega 2 is equal to 2 square omega 1. Omega 3 is equal to 3 square omega 1. Third critical speed. Node point of zero oscillation. Permanent node due to support. Observed node due to speed. Torsional vibrations. I is equal to mass moment of inertia of rotor. Kt is equal to torsional stiffness is equal to Gj by L. Omega n is equal to root of Kt by I is equal to Gj by IL. Omega n is equal to Kt by I rotor root of Kt by I rotor plus I shaft by 3. Shaft carrying two rotors x1 x2. Omega if rotors moving in same direction, omega n is equal to 0, no vibration. If rotor moving in opposite direction, degrees of freedom is equal to 2. Theta theta 1 not equal to theta 2. Omega n1 is equal to omega n2 root of g1 j1 by l1 i1 is equal to root of j2 g2 j2 by I2 L2. G1 j1 is equal to G2 j2. L1 I1 is equal to L2 I2. L1 by L2 is equal to I2 by I1 is equal to x1 by x2. X is amplitude. Number of node is equal to number of rotors minus 1. Distance of rotor from node inversely proportional to mass moment of inertia of rotor. Gyroscope angular momentum h bar is equal to I omega bar is equal to I omega cap. Case 1 if direction of angular momentum remains same but its magnitude changes. T bar is equal to d by dt of I omega bar is equal to I d omega bar by dt into omega cap is equal to I alpha cap. Alpha cap is equal to omega cap acceleration. Alpha cap is equal to minus omega cap deceleration. Case 2 magnitude of angular velocity remains same but its direction changes. T bar is equal to d by dt of I omega cap is equal to I omega d omega cap by dt, which is precision velocity Active gyroscopic couple T bar is equal to I omega p bar plus omega bar Newton meter. Reactive gyroscopic torque disturbing T bar is equal to I omega bar plus omega p.
The T bar is equal to I omega omega p Newton meter. Direction omega cap cross omega p cap reactive gyro. Alpha gyro is equal to omega omega p radian per second square. Omega p is equal to V by R. Observer is on tail side. Observer is on tail side and rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. Rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. So if you look from tail side and it is rotating in clockwise, then OA will be in forward direction. Now nose is rising. So now if you take that plane on paper, then nose is rising. Omega precision is plus z k cap xy. A prime active gyroscopic couple. A prime A reactive gyroscopic couple. Reactive gyroscopic couple. Put a hand on A prime A, then we can see that plane will be turning towards right. Due to reactive gyroscopic couple, plane will be turning towards right. Reactive gyroscopic couple, omega cap cross omega p cap is equal to minus y minus j, because I cross k cap is I j k, I cross k is minus j cap. So plane xz. Observer is on tail side, rotor rotating in clockwise direction, and then a plane is to moving towards right. Moving towards right. So if you observe in 3D, omega spin is in plus x, I cap yz plane. Omega spin is in omega precision is in minus y minus j cap xz. Omega cross omega p is minus z minus k cap xy plane. So so uh, so due to reactive gyroscopic power couple, nose of plane will fall. Nose of plane will fall. On naval ships side view, this is bow 4, this is stern aft x y z. And this is port side, this is starboard side. Observer LHS RHS. LHS is port side, RHS is starboard side. Top view xz plane. Steering turning ship towards starboard side or port side. Rotor is rotating in clockwise direction, then a ship is turning towards port side. Ship is turning towards omega spin is x I cap yz plane. Omega p as it is turning towards port side, plus y cap j cap xz plane. Omega cross omega p plus z k cap xy plane. Omega p is equal to v by r. Ship is turning towards port side. Omega p is equal to v by r. C is equal to omega omega p I omega p. For pitching oscillation of naval ship about horizontal transverse axis. Observer is on stern side and rotating rotor is rotating clockwise. Axis plane omega spin plus x I cap yz plane. Omega p cap plus z k cap xy plane. Omega reactive gyroscopic couple. Omega cap cross omega p cap minus y minus j xz plane. Bow is rising. OA prime. This is like this. This is reactive gyroscopic couple. Ship will turn towards starboard side. If pitching is SHM in nature, theta O, theta is equal to theta O sin omega t, theta dot is equal to theta O cos omega t, theta double dot is equal to minus theta O omega square sin omega t. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Omega p max is equal to theta O into 2 pi by t. Theta O into 2 pi by t. Gyroscopic couple C is equal to I omega p max. Rolling rolling oscillation of chip about longitudinal axis. The observer is on standside, rotor is rotating in clockwise direction, ship is rolling in counterclockwise direction. omega spin plus x I cap yz, omega p minus x minus I cap yz, reactive gyroscopic couple 0 0 0, no couple C is equal to 0. Balancing of rotating and reciprocating inertia masses. Static balancing B capital B omega square is equal to mu omega square B is equal to me. Force polygon B mu omega square. By adding more than one mass in force polygon, sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0. In same plane, sigma I is equal to 1 to n, mi ri cos theta is equal to sigma 0, sigma I is equal to 1 to n, sigma mi ri sin theta is equal to 0. By adding mass in parallel plane, mcrc is equal to capital B small v. Dynamic balancing force polygon is closed, that is sigma I is equal to 1 to n, mi ri cos theta is equal to 0, sigma I is equal to 1 to n, mi ri sin theta is equal to 0. Couple polygon is closed, that is sigma I is equal to 1 to n, mi ri li sin cos theta is equal to 0, sigma I is equal to 1 to n, mi ri sin li sin theta is equal to 0. Li measured from reference plane can be taken any plane. We consider origin at reference plane, RHS positive, LHS negative. Reaction in bearing for dynamic balancing is equal to 0. Reactions in bearing for dynamic balancing is equal to 0. Balancing of reciprocating mass, single cylinder engine, F slider is equal to MA slider is equal to MR omega square into cos theta plus cos 2 theta by N. Omega R L omega F unbalanced is equal to Fi slider. Reciprocating unbalanced force changes continuously but direction remains same. We add mass. Rotating unbalanced force remains constant but direction changes. In this we can remove mass. Fi slider is equal to mr omega square cos theta plus mr omega square by cos theta cos 2 theta by n. This is primary inertia force, this is secondary inertia force. N is equal to L by R greater than 1. Fp is equal to mr omega square cos theta. 0 pi 2 pi by 2 pi 2 pi. Next, second, neglected, its frequency is twice of primary. The actual unbalanced force F unbalanced is equal to mr omega square cos theta. Maximum unbalanced force is equal to mr omega square. Direction along line of stroke. Complete balancing, mr omega square cos theta in this direction, mr omega square sin theta in this direction. F unbalanced is equal to Fi slider is equal to mr omega square cos theta. After adding counter mass, F unbalanced along line of stroke is equal to 0. F unbalanced perpendicular to line of stroke is equal to mr omega square. F unbalanced max is equal to mr omega square. Objective is not being fulfilled. Partial balancing B capital B small b is equal to C M R L F unbalanced B omega square cos theta B omega square sin theta. Fx is equal to mr omega square cos theta minus B omega square cos theta is equal to 1 minus C into mr omega square cos theta. Fy is equal to B omega square cos theta is equal to C mr omega square cos theta mr omega square sin theta. Resultant unbalanced force R is equal to root of Fx square plus Fy square. R is equal to root of 1 minus C into mr omega square cos theta whole square plus C mr omega square sin theta whole square. R will be minimum and C is equal to half. R min is equal to mr omega square by 2. For steam engine, C is equal to 2 by 3. In this syllabus in IES only, M is equal to mass of connecting rod, M is equal to MB plus MS. This is big and this is small and LB, LS, MB, MS. MB, LB is equal to MS, LS, MB is equal to M, LS by LS plus LB, MS is equal to MLB by LB, LS plus LB. I actual is equal to I equivalent about center of mass. Mk square is equal to ms ls square plus mb lb square. K radius of gyration about center of mass. Error inertia IRR is equal to I equivalent minus I actual. To obtain correct dynamically equivalent system, K is equal to root of LV into LS. If rotating unbalanced for unbalanced and reciprocating unbalanced both masses are considered, then BB is equal to M rotor into R plus C M reciprocating into R. Rotating mass of crank pin, big end of connecting rod. Reciprocating mass of slider, gudgeon pin, small end of connecting rod. Partial balancing of locomotives, effect of unbalanced force along line of stroke, tractive force, net unbalanced force along line of stroke, Fx net is equal to 1 minus c into mr omega square cos theta plus 1 minus c into mr omega square cos of 90 plus theta. Fx net is equal to 1 minus c into mr omega square into cos theta minus sin theta. Variation in tractive force is equal to plus or minus root into 1 minus c into mr omega square. Theta is equal to at the rate of theta is equal to 135 degrees comma 315 degrees. Tractive force results in jerk along line of stroke. Swaying couple, net unbalanced force along line of stroke results in couple about center line. Variation in swaying couple is equal to plus or minus a by root into 1 minus c into mr omega square. Theta is equal to 45 degrees or 25 degrees. Effect of unbalanced force perpendicular to line of stroke. Hammer blow W BB omega square cos theta in this direction, BB omega square sin theta in this direction, and normal reaction N is equal to W plus or minus BB omega square sin theta between rail and track wheel. N greater than 0, W minus BB omega square greater than 0, omega less than root of W by BB. Hammer blow puts limit on maximum speed of locomotive. Gears and gear trains. Gears positive drive mechanism because slip doesn't take place. Gear larger size preferred as output. Pinion smaller size preferred as input. Uh, Ring gear or annulus having teeth on inner side. Rack gear pitch circle radius is infinite. Convert rotation to translation. Velocity ratio VR or lambda is equal to plus omega output by omega input less than 1. Reduction ratio is equal to plus or minus omega input by omega output greater than 1. Gear ratio capital T by small t is equal to number of teeth on gear by number of teeth on pinion. Pitch circle denotes size of wheel, imaginary circle, base circle, real circle, profile generated, circular pitch PC is equal to pi d by t, module M is equal to pitch circle diameter by number of teeth is equal to d by t, mm is SI unit of gear, diametrical pitch is equal to t by d in inches, FPS unit of gear, PC into PD is equal to pi d is equal to pi, just pi, PC into pi d is equal to pi, PC is equal to pi m. If gear and pinion are meshing same module, tooth thickness plus tooth space is equal to circular pitch. Addendum distance between pitch circle and addendum circle. A is equal to RA minus R is equal to F of fraction. In 20 degrees full depth system, A is equal to M, F is equal to 1. In 20 degrees full stub tooth system, A is equal to 0.8 M, F is equal to 0.8. Dedendum B is equal to pitch circle radius, dedendum circle B is equal to capital R minus RD is equal to FM. In 20 degrees full depth system, B is equal to 1.25 mm. In a 20 degrees stub tooth system, B is equal to M. Face depth is equal to A plus B. Face width, this is face width, face flank, top is face, this is flank. Lewis equation Ft is equal to sigma b Wmy. Working depth is equal to A gear plus A pinion. Backlash is equal to tooth space minus tooth thickness. Clearance is equal to addendum circle gear minus dedendum circle pinion. Pressure angle between velocity vector at pitch point and common normal when velocity vector rotated in omega gear. Common normal tangent to base circles of gear and pinion. Common normal passes through pitch point, gets divided in constant ratio, law of bearing. Bp by ap is equal to constant. Omega p by omega g is equal to capital R by small r is equal to capital T by small t. Interference, it involves if involute profile meshes with non-involute profile, non-conjugate action, lock or jam with non-involute profile. Necessary condition for interference, presence of non-involute profile. Necessary and sufficient condition if an end of gear penetrates into base circle of pinion or cross the point of tangency of pinion. Actual path of recess is equal to root of r a square minus r cos pi whole square minus r sin pi. Actual path of recess is equal to root of r a square minus r cos pi square minus of r sin pi. Capital R B is equal to r cos pi, small r b is equal to small r cos pi. This is base circle radius. Maximum path of approach is equal to r sin pi. Maximum path of recess is equal to capital R sin pi. Lambda is equal to small r by capital R is equal to small t by capital T is equal to omega g by omega p. T min is equal to 2f by root of 1 plus lambda into lambda plus 2 sin square psi minus 1. T min is equal to 2f lambda by root of 1 plus lambda into lambda plus 2 sin square pi minus 1 to avoid interference. Methods to avoid interference by increasing central distance will increase pressure angle, clearance increases, interference decreases. Properly selecting number of teeth, T actual greater than T min, capital T actual greater than capital T min. By modifying addendum, removing material from addendum stub teeth. Due to stubbing, gear becomes strong since bending stress decreases. By using cycloidal profile tooth, locus of point on circle which rolls on without slipping on a straight line. A cycloid is equal to epicycloid plus hypocycloid. Epicycloid means rolling again rolling on the cylinder. Hypocycloid means inside the cylinder rolling. Epicycloid on top, hypocycloid on bottom. Each circle. Conjugate action will always be maintained. Difficult to manufacture. Used in watches, clocks. Undercutting. Removal of material from flank or root of tooth and leads to stress concentration, making teeth weak. Power transmission, P is equal to Ft into V is equal to F cos pi into V. If pi increases, central distance increases but power decreases. Pi 14.5, power maximum, chances of interference maximum. Pi 20 degrees optimum, power moderate, chances of interference moderate. 22.5, power minimum, chances of interference also minimum. Path of contact is equal to path of approach plus path of recess is equal to root of r a square minus r cos pi whole square plus root of small r a square minus of small r cos pi whole square minus of small r plus capital R sin pi. Arc of contact is equal to measured along pitch circle circumference is equal to path of contact by cos pi. Angle of contact delta gear is equal to arc of contact by capital R. Delta pinion is equal to arc of contact by small r. This is angle of contact, this is arc of contact. Contact ratio CR is equal to arc of contact by circular pitch pi d by t. Contact ratio is number of pairs of tooth in mesh. If CR is equal to 1.35, it means that one pair is in complete mesh and 31% of time of contact of another pair in mesh. Rack R tends to infinity, lambda is equal to small r by capital R tends to 0. T min is equal to 2f by sin square pi by applying L'Hospital's rule. Gear trains, degrees of freedom 1, simple gear train, compound gear train, riveted gear train, Ra plus Rb is equal to Rc plus Rd. Degrees of freedom is equal to 2, epicyclic gear train or sun and planet gear train. Train value plus or minus omega input by omega output. Idler gear idler gear whose number of teeth does not appear in expression of train value. Epicyclic gear train equilibrium number of torque and sigma tau net is equal to 0, tau input minus tau output is equal to 0. Efficiency of mechanism is equal to power at output by power at input is equal to sigma tau output omega output by sigma tau input omega input. If there is no power loss, sigma tau omega is equal to 0. Sigma tau input omega input plus sigma tau output omega output is equal to 0. Torque of element which is fixed is called fixing or holding torque. Cam and follower open higher and force closed pair mechanism eccentricity provided to reduce jerk. Base circle denotes size of cam. Trace point reference point on follower. Tip of knife edge and center of roller follower. Pitch curve locus of trace point. Prime circle concentric with base circle and tangential to pitch curve. Lift or stroke distance between extreme positions of follower. Angle of action angle turn between TDC to BDC or BDC to TDC. Angle of dwell when the follower remains standstill. For knife, R base is equal to R prime. For roller, R base is equal to R prime minus R roller. Radius of curvature inversely proportional to 1 by d square y by d theta square. Velocity of follower v is equal to dy by dt is equal to omega dy by d theta. Acceleration a is equal to dv by dt is equal to d square y by dt square is equal to omega square d square y by d theta square. Jerk or follower j is equal to dA by dt is equal to d cube y by dt cube is equal to omega cube into d cube y by d theta cube. H is equal to lift of follower, pi a is equal to angle of action of cam. Types of follower motion: uniform velocity y theta h pi naught. Tan alpha is equal to h by pi naught. Rise dwell. V theta v is equal to h omega, y is equal to h theta by pi a, v is equal to h omega by pi a. A is equal to 0, j is equal to 0. Here infinity. Uniform acceleration and retardation parabolic. Let y is equal to a theta square plus b theta plus c. It will be like this. For theta less than for 0 less than theta less than pi a by 2. C is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2h by pi a, 2h by pi a square into theta square. V increases till here and then decreases. V is equal to 4h omega by pi a square into theta. 0 less than theta less than equal to pi a. A is equal to omega dv by d theta is equal to a is equal to 4h omega square by pi a square. 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to pi a by 2. Till here it will be like this, till here it will be like j in infinity theta infinity. J is equal to omega dA by d theta is equal to 0. Jerk infinity maximum number of is worst. Jerk infinity maximum number of times, so it is worst. Uniform acceleration or retardation parabolic. SHM simple harmonic motion. Y is equal to h by 2 into 1 minus cos beta. Y is equal to h by 2 into 1 minus cos pi theta by pi a. V is equal to omega dy by d theta. V is equal to pi h omega by 2 pi a sin of pi theta by pi a. A is equal to pi square h omega by square by 2 pi square cos of pi theta by pi a. J is equal to minus pi cube h omega cube by 2 pi a cube sin of pi theta by pi a. V it will be like this, here it will be like this. J infinity is there, but here it will be like this. Cycloidal motion. Y is equal to h by pi into pi theta by pi a minus half sin 2 pi theta by pi a. V is equal to omega dy by d theta is equal to V is equal to h omega by pi a into 1 minus cos of 2 pi theta by pi a. A is equal to 2 pi h omega square by pi a square into sin of 2 pi theta by pi a. J is equal to 4 pi square h omega cube by pi a cube into cos of 2 pi theta by pi a. Jerk is finite at all points. V theta increases and then decreases. A theta increases like this and then decreases. Pi a by 4, pi a by 2, 3 pi a by 4, a pi a. Jerk it will be like this, pi a by 4, 3 pi a by 4. Type of motion: Vmax, Amax. Jerks and full rotation, when in full rotation. Uniform velocity for h omega by pi a Imax 0. Uniform acceleration or retardation 2h omega by pi a 4h omega by pi a whole square. SHM pi h omega by 2 pi a is equal to 1.57 h omega by pi a. Amax pi square by 2 h omega by pi a whole square is equal to 4.21 h omega by pi a square. Cycloidal motion 2h omega by pi a 2 pi h omega by pi a whole square is equal to 6.21 omega by pi a whole square, 1.57 h omega by pi a. Jerks uniform velocity 8640 if in full rotation from 0 to 2 pi. The above cases we saw only pi a only. Pressure angle, acute angle between line of movement and common normal drawn at trace point. Point with maximum beta, pitch point, locus of pitch point, pitch circle, concentric with base circle. Thrust force exerted by guide follower R is equal to F sin beta. Frictional force F is equal to mu F sin beta. Mu F sin beta. I23 cam follower, common normal and base circle intersection. Tan beta is equal to tan beta inversely proportional to RB. Tan beta is equal to V follower by R prime plus Y into omega 2. Tan beta directly proportional to dy by d theta. Slope of y versus theta diagram. For eccentricity, tan beta directly proportional to dy by d theta minus c. Mushroom or spherical for our minimum contacting stress like this. Extra points, coefficient of insensitiveness corner Ci is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 by omega average. If theta is equal to beta, Ci is equal to f by m plus m into g. Pantograph 4-bar linkage used to produce similar path traced of any scale. Steering gear mechanism cot pi minus cot theta is equal to W by L. WL Davis mechanism, Ackermann mechanism. If for rack and pinion, path of contact is equal to A rack by sin pi plus root of RA square minus R cos pi whole square minus R sin pi. T min is equal to 2AR by sin square pi. Helical or spiral gear, PC cos psi is equal to Pn, M cos psi is equal to Mn, Mn1 is equal to Mn2 for mating gears, phi theta is equal to psi 1 plus psi 2 for same hand if not given, theta is equal to psi 1 minus psi 2 for opposite hand. Velocity ratio Vr is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to omega 2 by omega 1. Central distance is equal to Mn by 2 into T1 by cos psi plus T2 by cos psi. Efficiency eta is equal to cos of omega 2 plus pi minus cos omega 1 by into cos omega 1 by cos of omega 2 minus pi cos omega 3. Eta max is equal to 1 plus cos of theta plus pi by 1 minus cos of theta minus pi. Theta is equal to omega 1 plus omega 2. Omega 1 is equal to theta plus pi by 2. Omega 2 is equal psi 2 is equal to theta minus pi by 2. Worm and worm wheel gear psi 1 lambda 1 is equal to lead angle, lambda 1 plus psi 1 is equal to 90 degrees. Here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Psi 1 is equal to 90 minus lambda 1. Psi 2 is equal to lambda 2. Pi is equal to tan inverse mu. Tan lambda is equal to lead by pi d1. Velocity ratio Vr is equal to L by pi d2. L lead of worm, d2 diameter of wheel. Central distance M is equal to m2 by 2 into T1 cot lambda 1 plus T2. Efficiency eta is equal to tan lambda 1 by tan of lambda 1 plus pi. Eta max is equal to 1 minus sin pi by 1 plus sin pi. Two rotor system L1 plus L2 is equal to L. L1 I1 is equal to L2 I2 if number of rotors is equal to N, number of nodes is equal to N minus 1. Rotor inclined on spinner axis CG gyroscopic couple is equal to half IP into IP minus ID into omega square sine 2 theta. Ip moment of inertia about polar axis. Id moment of inertia about diameter. Ip is equal to mr square by 2. Id is equal to ml square by 12 plus mr square by 4. For low thickness, L is equal to 0. Hartnell governor A B K is equal to 2A by B whole square into FC2 minus FC1 by R2 minus R1. FC2 is equal to MR2 omega 2 square. FC1 is equal to MR1 omega 1 square. Omega connecting rod is equal to omega cos theta by n. Alpha connecting rod is equal to minus omega square sin theta by n. Parallel shafts spur gear. Intersecting shafts bevel gear. Non-intersecting non-parallel shafts skew or spiral gears when 90 degrees worm and wormhole gear. Helical gears teeth are straight but inclined. Double helical gear or herringbone gears axial thrust is 0. Gate previous papers cos beta is equal to R by L. QRR is equal to 360 minus 2 beta by B2 beta. No need to remember formula. Extreme case beta 90 degrees. Oldham coupling, torsional load and rotation transferred along shaft axis. Higher pair pointer line contact, lower pair surface contact. Offset slider crank mechanism, QRR is equal to 180 plus alpha by 180 minus alpha. Theta 1 is equal to sin inverse E by L plus R. Theta 2 is equal to sin inverse E by L minus R. Alpha is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. F connecting rod is equal to Fp by cos pi. Area of triangle is maximum when angle A is equal to 90 degrees. This is equal to 90 degrees, area of triangle is maximum. Unbalanced force perpendicular to line of stroke is equal to unbalancing r omega square sin theta. Gear which is not involved in final velocity ratio idler gear. Gear capital T is equal to Ft into d by 2. Ft is tangential force. Tan pi is equal to Fr by Ft. Fr force in radial direction. Ft tangential force. Force along line of action F is equal to Ft by cos pi. Coefficient of speed fluctuation Cf is equal to omega max minus omega min by omega average. Omega average omega max plus omega min by 2. Flywheel delta E max is equal to half I omega max square minus omega min square. From graph start with E at initial position. Delta P A to B is equal to question mark half P half K delta plus X. Whole square minus half k delta square minus mgx is equal to half k x square, as k delta is equal to mg. An initial comparison can be neglected. Delta change from free length. Finally equal to from A to B is half kx square only. Omega by omega n close to 1, most perceptible to vibration, more response. Two nodes are observed, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 1, 0 nodes, n is equal to 3, 2 nodes, n mode number. Fn is equal to pi by 2 n square root of the ei by w l power 4. Willingness frequency of shaft Fn is equal to n square F1. F3 observed at 3 nodes, 2 nodes is equal to 3 square F1. F1 first critical speed. Critical damping, smallest damping at which no oscillation occurs. Omega n by 2 pi is equal to F h r is equal to omega by omega n. If m spring is connected, 2 degrees of freedom, omega 1 is equal to 0, rigid body motion, no constraints. Omega 2 is equal to root of 2k by m, as node falls in middle of spring. Moment of equilibrium right about hinge. Pull s k is equal to half m x dot square plus half I theta dot square is equal to half m equivalent x dot square. P is equal to half k equivalent x square. Omega is equal to root of k equivalent by m equivalent. If it is sliding like this, I24 lies at infinity. I12 and I4 will be infinity. So even though it intersects here, it will be at infinity, as there is that two bodies IU24 will be at infinity.